Whoa, 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 whoa. I did not hear anything. That was. Say again. You're a what student?
That's like,
There we go. Hi.
hello, sir. How are you?
Hi, my friend. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm well. Thank you for asking. Yeah,
What's your name?
yeah.
And wherever you are, it's beautiful. Seriously.
Yes, yes. My name is Nuruddin. Yeah, I'm calling from Bangladesh. And you?
Okay, just help me again. Noradania.
Yeah,
Four
yes,
syllables. Noradania.
yeah.
All right. My name is Wayne. I'm from South Africa.
Wow, good.
Yeah. Okay, so like very cool. Like where are you? Are you just like in the middle of the wild, like in the jungle, or is it near your house? Where are you? Or is it
No,
by
no.
your village?
Yeah, this is tea garden.
Ah, okay, all right. So it's a tea plantation.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah.
I
This is
see.
tea.
Yes, yes. Okay, nice. That's really cool. So do you work there, or is it your family's land?
Yeah, I'm a student.
A student. Ah, and what are you studying? What are you learning?
Yeah, I'm study. I'm Islamic study students.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I did not hear anything. That was. Say again. You're a what student?
That's like,
Okay. No, no, seriously. I didn't hear what student. What do you study?
yeah, I'm study.
Yeah, yeah, I know you study at university, but what? What subject?
Yeah, I'm Islamic study students.
Oh, you mean you study Islam? You study Islamic studies.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course.
Okay, okay, all right, I got you. So you want to be an imam? Are you studying to be an imam?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I got you. All right, cool, cool, cool. I like it. Nice. So, like, is this near your house, or are you busy traveling at the moment?
Yeah, because they are in the afternoon in our county, so I'm moving in our village.
Ah, okay, all right. So nice. That's really cool. I like that. So you can at least go for a nice walk in the village. That's really, really cool.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
No, definitely. So, what are your hobbies? What do you enjoy? Yes, yes.
Yeah, this is very very big garden.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's huge. That reminds me when I was in Vietnam, like the rice fields. It's very, very big.
Yes, yes.
So,
So if you want to come, yeah, in our country for moving, so at first time you have to see this is tea garden.
definitely. No, thank you. Bangladesh is not a country or the islands that I've been to yet. I still want to go and see what Bangladesh is like.
Yes,
I've heard many good things about your country.
because this is tea garden is where we have tea that in the morning.
All right, I got you. So, what does your family do?
Yeah, my I have three brothers,
Three
one
brothers.
sister,
Wow, nice.
one sister. Yeah, beside I'm very small. Okay,
Okay, so are you the youngest?
so I have parents. Yeah,
Nice. All right, cool.
my,
Well,
yeah, my elder brothers or little brothers or elder sisters. They are studying.
all right. So,
That is
and they still busy with their studies.
yes,
All
yes.
right. So, how are things like with? Okay, I don't mean like how are things with Corona in Bangladesh, but I mean your village where you are. Is there a problem or is life like normal for you?
Yeah, because in our country corona available, but most of the person yeah suffering from corona because yeah if Allah yeah we are very happy because in our village it's not corona.
Yeah, well, that's what I mean. Like you're far away. Okay.
Yes.
No, good, good, good. I'm the same. I'm the same. I'm now in my home city. It's a nice small. Well, it's a big city, but it's a still small. So the chances are still good.
Yes, yes.
Nice. So, what do you?
Okay, sir. Nice to meet
All
you.
right, nice to meet you. Yeah, nice to meet you. I was just gonna ask. All right, cool. I'll say goodbye then for now, and then
Okay,
see you
okay,
next time.
okay, okay.
You have a beautiful home, my friend.
Yes.
Goodbye.